Yo, what's going on, guys? JB Gong here, back with another video, and today, we're gonna be doing another weather forecast video, on Tropical Storm Paulette, Tropical Depression Renee, and Tropical Depression 19, and the other three disturbances, right now happening in Atlantic right now. So, still, a lot of activity going on right now. So, first off, let's check out disturbance number one that has a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days. So, this has a very low chance of to becoming a depression or storm. I don't think it's gonna become a named storm at all because there are some unfavorable conditions. Some like there is some kind of like wind shear or some dry air there. So yeah, that's gonna make it that's gonna make the development not conductive. Um, but this system right here, disturbance number two, has a much higher chance of development. It has a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days, and 40 hours is an 80% chance over the next 5 days. So I do think this could become a depression by like somewhere tonight. Somewhere tonight is probably gonna become a tropical depression. Probably a tropical depression by tonight, or it's tomorrow morning. So that's the two possibilities. And this disturbance right here has a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. So that's a medium percent chance of becoming depression or even a storm. But I do think this is gonna become Teddy next. But this one's gonna become Sally first, and Teddy, and then Vicky. Yeah, pretty crazy. Paulette right now has 70 miles an hour winds, and it is projected to become 110 mile an hour winds. So just minimum Category 3 hurricane. But my prediction is, I think it's gonna become 115 miles an hour winds. If the conditions are right, then it's gonna become the second major hurricane of the Atlantic season. There are some hurricane warnings issued at the Bermuda area. So the track is gonna make landfall in Bermuda. That's what the track is showing. Like that's crazy. Like Bermuda only has nine storms or something, nine systems nine hurricanes or storms that made landfall in Bermuda since like in the 1800s, but 51 of them actually got really close to it. So yeah, it's actually very rare for a hurricane or a storm to make landfall in Bermuda. So yeah, that's a rare event. But the track could change. It could actually not make landfall in Bermuda. But if it does, then it's gonna become the 10th system to make landfall in Bermuda. um, Tropical storm right now, tropical depression Renee right now. It is expected to just weaken and just die off and not even hit land at all. Um, Take a look at tropical storm Paulette right now. So yeah, so Paulette. If you take a look at the track, it's just gonna go right through Bermuda. That's what the track is showing. But yeah, it's gonna keep on strengthening. So it is expected to become a hurricane by somewhere tonight. So yeah, all the models are taking it, yeah, just northeast and then turning away from the U.S. and to be a very strong storm. Take a look at the intensity guidance. Most models are taking it to a Category 2, Category 1, and more models are taking it to a Category 3 now. So I do think Category 3 is possible. Category 3 is possible. Tropical depression Renee right now. So take a look at Renee. So not really much. It's just gonna die out. Tropical depression 19. 19 has a ton of the convections are starting to blow up right there. At the Florida area, but tropical depression 19 is expected to become a tropical storm. Somewhere tomorrow. Somewhere at 2 a.m. Sunday. 2 a.m. Sunday is gonna become a tropical storm. But it is projected to become a hurricane before landfall, and it's going to slow down before landfall, which is not good news for the Louisiana area. But take a look at the track. A ton of track is actually showing. Yeah, some models are taking it to the Florida Panhandle area, and some of them are taking it to the New Orleans area, and even some of them take it to Alabama area. So the track of uncertainty is still uncertain right now. So we still don't know where it's exactly gonna head. The track is just still separated and not that confident right now. But take a look at intensity guidance models. Now a lot more models are taken into a category 1 strengths, and some of them are even taken a category 2. But I think it's probably gonna get to like around 85 miles an hour winds. 85 to 90 mile an hour winds, somewhere at that before landfall, because like it's gonna slow down right there, and it's gonna have more strength. Invest 95L. So right now, Invest 95L. This is probably the thing I'm concerned at because it could affect the U.S. But all the models are actually taking it to be a fish storm actually, and not affecting land. But take a look at the intensity guidance models. Right now, it's all the models are taken into a tropical storm by 48 hours from now. So yesterday, all the models are like taken to a category 1, 2, and 3, but now it's lowered a lot. But some models do take a category 1 strength. But what I think this could be actually a big one actually if it goes into the very warm conditions waters. But I kind of have a feeling this could actually hit land or something. It could maybe hit land. 97L. So 97L, that's a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. So it's just at the coast of the Cape Verde Islands, off the coast of Africa. The models haven't just came out yet, so it's too early right now. Let's take a look at the forecast models. So first off, I want to show you guys something. So if I show you something pretty crazy. So if you can see, like Paulette's track, actually it's actually aiming right at Bermuda. So if I can zoom in right there, I can just probably zoom in right there. Hold on, loading. So if you can see, just look at that. It's actually look at that directly over Bermuda as a category 2 storm. So yeah, that's a pretty rare occurrence. Bermuda don't get that much landfall from tropical storms and hurricanes. Only 9 of them since 1850s or something. Yeah, 51 of them only just got really close to it. So it is not very common. It is not very common for landfall, but it is very common for hurricane to get very close to it. But yeah, but this one is actually special and very rare. Actually, it's very rare because like right now Paulette the track shows it hitting make landfall in Bermuda, so it's probably gonna devastate the Bermuda island right there. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, pretty rare occurrence. Let's take a look at 2 models, so GFS and the CMC model. So this is what the GFS shows right now. GFS is showing future tropical storm Sally right there, hitting the New Orleans area at 997 millibar tropical storm, strong tropical storm, and it's showing Paulette to be very strong, at least 965 around the category 2 high-end category 2 hurricane, and showing Renee to die off, and then 95L to go west, and then just turn off and then just be a fish storm. And then showing 2 more systems right there off the coast of Carolina. It's gonna bring probably some moisture right there. Yeah, gonna bring some rain right there to the Carolina. So yeah, it's probably another little bit of concern right there. Model we're checking is the CMC model. So this is what the CMC model is showing. So CMC right now is showing this time future tropical storm Sally to be a little bit weaker, and then make landfall a little bit eastern this time. This time it's somewhere in the Mississippi area, not in the New Orleans area. Um, and it's actually also showing the remnants of Tropical Storm Sally, future Tropical Storm Sally, to get into the Carolinas and then dumping a lot of rain right there. So I could actually get some rain from that. So yeah, I think that's why I'm probably gonna get some rain on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Probably because of tropical depression. That's probably because of that tropical depression 19 right there. So I gotta watch out for that. Even the Gulf Coast states, you gotta watch out for tropical depression 19 because it just strengthens really. It's probably gonna strengthen very quickly. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Smash like and enjoy it. Let's give out 500 to this video. Hopefully we can get to 609 subscribers by the end of this month. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post a video. And alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.